Hi, and welcome back. Today, just want to give a quick portfolio update on my Robinhood account. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock markets. I want to be able to help people out there and share my experience. Because 2 years ago, I started trading and I had no idea what I was doing and I lost a great amount of money. So I don't want anyone to make the same mistakes. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So if you are interested, check out my link down below. We already have 40 members in there. We would love for you to join us. So today I am down 3.98%. The market took a turn midway through. Everything just came crashing down. And this happened 2 weeks ago too. We were able to recover some and now it's going back down again. It's because treasury yield is up once again. So we'll take a look at the 1 year. I am up 78%, an all-time high. I am up 78%. I started this account 1 year ago. So we'll just go down the list. It starts with options. I like selling cash secure puts because I do get a premium up front. I get money up front. But with selling cash secure puts, all you need to put up is the collateral. So all these are printing me money and all of them expires tomorrow. So once they expire, out of the money, I will get the collateral back. If they expire in the money, I would then have to purchase 100 shares at the strike price that I chose. So for example, WPG, I chose a 250 strike. If the stock is below 250, I will then have to buy 100 shares at 250. This is a great way to not only generate extra income, but also getting the stock at a discounted price. This is great for part-time traders. If you don't have a lot of time on your hands, you don't have time to look at charts, all you need to spend is a few minutes a day looking for options that you don't mind owning, one, and if they have options chains, you can sell options on them. We have AMC, cover calls. Again, I cannot stress this enough that if you have 100 shares of the underlying stock, you should be selling cover calls on them and generating extra income, which will reduce your cost basis. You do it so many times, you collect those premiums, eventually you have the shares for free. Who doesn't want free shares? Who doesn't love free money? We have JAGX. This one I got a pretty high premium. Yes, even though the stock price is at 206, as long as the stock is at 190 or above, I will be profitable on this trade. We have more AMC, Nokia leap calls, Palantir leap calls. AMC share where AMC is at. It's at 1406 right now. They are going to open all movie theaters tomorrow. So tomorrow might gap up to $15. We have Nikola, Vaxart, BlackBerry. I am down 1800. Bought this pretty high. Sold a lot of cash pair puts. Luckily, it was able to reduce my cost basis. Now my average is at 1348. I also have Sundial. Sundial is at 148. It did gap up after they announced their earnings, but now it's backed out, possibly due to the overall market. I am very bullish on Sundial, and I do see them going to at least $5 by the end of this year. So you guys want to be either selling cash secure puts or buying leap calls. Leap calls are call options that are longer than 1 year. And Luquan, for ones, I'm up $41. I do have a cost average of 185 and I have 1,800 shares. So I do plan on selling this when it reaches $2 or more. I don't want to keep it just because there is still a possibility that they can get delisted in May. So they are not going to get delisted this month, but we just never know what can happen in May. And I don't want to risk it because I do have $3,300 and $3,300 that I can sell a lot of cash secure puts on that and generate more income with it. Because right now I only got $41 Whereas I could have used that money and sold some WPG. Let me take a look. WPG, I made $40 on one contract, and all I needed to put up was $250. You could have received a 16% return in less than 2 weeks. Guys, you need to be selling cash secure puts if you are willing to buy 100 shares of the underlying stock, or if you have 100 shares, you should be selling covered calls. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any of these stocks. Warren Buffett also sells cash secure puts. He sold a bunch of Coke put options a while back, and he was able to get a lot of money from that. And guys, you do not need a lot of money to sell cash secure puts. I'm here to help people make money in the stock market. This is my full-time job. If I'm not making money in the stock markets, that means I cannot survive. So I want to be able to help people out. And while I do this, I'm researching different companies as well, which gives me an idea of whether or not I should invest in a company or not. You need to be selling puts. I know it sounds like, oh, puts. Well, I'm not bearish. Well, when you sell a cash secure puts, it's not necessary that you're bearish. You're actually bullish when you're selling cash secure puts. Anyway, I hope you guys got some value out of this. And thank you so much for watching if you got this far. And please do consider joining the Patreon page. We're just looking for like-minded people to join our group so we can help each other grow our accounts. I'm trying to grow my portfolio to $100,000, this Robinhood portfolio. I still have plenty of time, but I want to be able to do it in a way that I'm not going to lose all my money in this portfolio. So who wants to join me? And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.